This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I'll show how you can switch on or switch off the talkback feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Additional Settings category. Here, open the Accessibility, then Vision, Talkback. Here you have it. I recommend that for beginner talkback users that you enable the shortcut here, since it will make it very easy for you to switch the talkback off. So I recommend that you enable it, or well, you can turn it on and turn it off using the shortcut at all times. You can hide it like that, you can move it around, that's up to you. Or you can also manually enable the talkback by tapping at this button here. So
Talkback on.
as you can clearly
Back button. Double tap to activate.
Okay, so as you can clearly hear and see, the talkback has been successfully enabled. Now you can switch it off from here by switching this toggle off. Or you can also use the shortcut, so select it and then double tap.
Talkback off.
Or
Talkback. Press select to activate.
you can also...
Accessibility volume set to 78%.
Yeah, sure. As you can see, you can also switch it off by simultaneously holding the volume plus and volume minus buttons for 3 seconds. So let's try this option out.
Talkback off.
Yes, as you can see, it has been switched off successfully. Now what else? I guess I can show you these settings so you can change them and set them up in accordance with your personal preferences. But well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.